Well, that first ever FBI raid on the home of a past American president 3 nights ago has prompted another angry outburst from Donald Trump tonight. He said he'd just found out that agents rummaged through his wife's wardrobes and left them in a mess. It came after the US Attorney General asked a judge to make public the reason for the raid and details of what agents recovered. Ben is in Washington tonight. Ben, a pretty extraordinary and characteristic strong response from Donald Trump. What have we heard tonight?
Well, for the past 3 days, there's been all sorts of speculation about what this search of Donald Trump's home was about, what was taken, who might have tipped off the FBI. We didn't get answers to any of those things tonight, but it is normal practice for law enforcement agencies not to comment on ongoing investigations. But America's top law officer, the Attorney General, has been under enormous pressure, and tonight he broke his silence. He said that because Donald Trump himself, as he has again tonight, has been speaking about the raid on his home, the raid as he called it, then the Justice Department would be filing a motion in court to have the search warrant published alongside the receipt of what was taken from Mar-A-Lago. So we may, in due course, find out some more detail. The Attorney General said that he had authorized the search personally. He said that we do not do these things lightly. But he went further, defending his department against suggestions fueled by Donald Trump that this was politically motivated. This is what he had to say.
Faithful adherence to the rule of law is the bedrock principle of the Justice Department and of our democracy. Upholding the rule of law means applying the law evenly, without fear or favor. Under my watch, that is precisely what the Justice Department is doing.
Well, Donald Trump has been responding on his social media platform, saying that his people had been cooperating fully with the government, and then, out of nowhere and with no warning, Mar-A-Lago was raided at 6:30 in the morning by very large numbers of agents and even safecrackers. They got way ahead of themselves. Crazy, he said. Now, he also claimed that agents had gone through the First Lady's closets, rummaging, as he put it, through her clothing and her personal items. There's no way of knowing if that's true. One thing that should be said, Donald Trump already has a copy of this search warrant and the receipt of what was taken from his home. He could publish them at any time if he wanted to. He will now have to decide by tomorrow afternoon whether he wants to object to them being published.